To create a Doordash group order, start by opening the Doordash app on your mobile device. Once the app is open, select the restaurant you would like to order from by browsing through the available options or by searching for a specific restaurant. After selecting the restaurant, click on the Start Order button to begin your order. You can then choose the items you would like to add to your order by browsing through the menu and selecting the desired dishes. To create a group order, click on the Group Order button, usually located at the top right corner of the screen. This will allow you to invite others to join your order. You can invite friends by sending them a link to the group order, which they can use to add their own items to the order. Once everyone has added their items to the order, you can review the order and proceed to checkout. At checkout, you will be able to select your preferred payment method and enter any applicable promo codes. When paying for a group order, each person can pay separately for their own items, making it easy to split the bill. After completing the checkout process, your order will be placed and you will receive updates on the status of your order. It is essential to communicate with the group to ensure that everyone is aware of the order details and any applicable deadlines. By following these steps, you can easily create a Doordash group order and enjoy food from your favorite restaurants with friends and family. Best practices for creating a group order include setting a deadline for everyone to add their items to the order, communicating clearly with the group about the order details, and designating one person to manage the order and handle any issues that may arise. By following these tips and using the Doordash app, you can create a seamless and enjoyable group ordering experience for everyone involved.